Hey guys, this is OrangeWolf7091AJ, and welcome back to a brand new video, Roblox video actually. We are playing YouTube Tycoon, so let's get started into the game. And is there anything to pick? No, all of them are taken. We are going through Ethan Gamer's, Tycoon. So we're gonna pick his Tycoon to go to. Touch the claim. There we go. That's mine. Nope, I don't have a thing to. There. How the heck do we get money? Oh yeah, it's okay. Buy your first dropper. Okay, so we got the first dropper. And do we like click something? Okay, never mind. I have $200, so let's buy second dropper. Just upgrader. Okay. There, I got money. Money. Hey, I got money. I like money. This is gonna be really slow and annoying. What is this? Golden boombox? I want a golden boombox. Buy. Oh, you need Robux? Of course you do. Everything is Robux these days. 580 cash? Heck yeah. Give me that one. Thank you. Ooh, yeah, and I'll take the third dropper. Some money. Money. I got money. Help, I'm going so fast. Buy jump boots giver. Buy speed coil giver. Why do I want those things? I don't want that. Buy weapon room. Ooh, I can get a weapon room? No way. $1,000. Hey, I got 1K cash. Buy first floor walls. There we go. We want to do that. What does it look so far? Yeah. What is this whole map? Whoa. That's what the whole map looks like? Seriously? Huh. Okay then. I got $1.3 thousand. Let's go buy fourth dropper. Oh no, I didn't want to buy the. Oh, come on. I didn't want to buy that. Man, what the heck? Give me them $700. Thank you. Thank you very much. $470. Oh, I got $2,000. Lit. Okay, give me that. Thank you. 202.2 thousand. I'm gonna go with upgrade the walls. Oh, that's all it did? Really? Come on. Don't worry, I still have $2,000 now. Oh, what? It's stupid thing. At least it gave me a dropper. I was gonna buy What is there? Okay, never mind. I thought there was like a dropper thing over there. But no. Give me that. Thank you. Okay. Let's see how Dennis Daly's thing is. How this person is going. Huh. There we go. Looks like they've done pretty good. Yeah. Sasha, what does it say? Sasha 5510. Yeah, they've done pretty good. Ugh, stuck. Then if I go through there, it's gonna kill me. Dang it, can't go in there. I don't want to die, so. Actually, you know what? It'll save me time if I just, there you go. There. My body. I died. I'm sorry that I have to die. How much money do I have? Ooh, $2,000. Dang, now I have 4,000. Let's go. There we go. Got the walls. Oh, got that. Didn't even want to do that, but okay. You know what? I guess I'll have that. No? I can't get that. Okay, that's too much money. I gotta get more. Look at the glass. That glass is actually pretty cool. If you look at it really closely. Like really, really closely, it looks cool. Now, if you look really closely, you can tell that it is pretty good. Gonna get right in there. Hi. I'm looking at myself now. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, but if you look really closely, you can see the perfect stuff on it. Now that's cool. Ooh, gotta get my money. $3,000. Yeah. Now we are at a total of $6,200. Congratulations, me. Now I'm able to buy this dropper. And I'm at 4,500 now. I can buy second floor. Heck yeah, I just bought the second floor. Yeah. Woohoo. Now I can just oh, stuck. Now I can just oh, okay. There we go. I can go here, buy second wall floors. I have enough money to buy the walls, but I don't want to. Oh, and I just bought the lights by accident. Okay, then. What? Oh, there we go. Okay. Does it kill me if I go out? Okay, no. No, it doesn't. $2,000. Thank you. I'll buy dropper 7. Now, if I go out, will it... Yeah, looks pretty good. See, we've came along. Ah, stuck. There. I'm gonna buy second wall floors. Okay. Buy second floor, walls. There. Next thing is 5,000, so. What is it? Ooh, yeah, looks good. Buy stairs. Thank you. Ooh, I need the stairs to this. What is this thing? Oh, I think I know what this does. Ugh. Thank you very much. Ooh, 4,000. There we go. $6,900. That's perfect. Buy dropper 8, I think that was. Let's go up here. Upgrade $5,000. I don't even have enough for that. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, it's just part of the thing, I guess. Didn't know what that was for a second. $1,000. Thank you. $600. Thank you very much. Let's go with that. There. Okay. $6,000 for first dropper on the second floor. That's ridiculous. Jesus. There. Okay, we need that. It's 3,000. That doesn't get me anywhere with 3,000. We're gonna go check out Dan TDM's place. Doesn't look bad at all. Yeah, we can't get inside, but looks good, I guess. Yeah, looks good. This guy's trying to kill me through the window. Ah! Stop it, I'm just trying to look. Yeah, this is pretty good, I say. No, I was so close. Let me get inside. Dang it. Yeah, it's not gonna budge. I got on it, and yeah, it's not gonna do anything though. Ha! Did he just kill himself? Wait, this isn't even his Tycoon. Ha! This idiot killed himself. Ha! What an idiot. Ah! Ha! 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 $6,000. Yes. Ooh, we got $10,300 now. That's perfect. Now I can buy this. There we go. Oh, don't have enough money for the walls. Hey, at least it'll go through now. At least it'll go through, and then it'll pop down there. Or maybe it won't. Actually, I think it will. See? There we go. It just popped down. And yeah, of course you have to pay money. What the? There's like 2 people down my street just running. Yeah, they're going. They were just being weird. Oh yes, I have enough money for. I have enough money for this. Buy second floor upgrade. I have $1,700 now. Yay. $1,300. Sweet. Give me the upgrader. Let's get out. Looks pretty good. Looks good. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. I think that'll be all for today. Please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And you know what, guys? I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.